Hello everyone and welcome back. This is supposed to be a live to do an eye look, and thank goodness that I started like checking things out to make sure everything was copacetic. But yeah, no matter what, just anyways, I did my brows with this Nicka micro fine art liner in dark brown, and this is what it looks like. It's a felt tip, and then I just brush through them with a brow brush. Okay, today I thought, although I have a basket already in place, but I thought I'd change things up just a little bit. So I was looking through my palettes and I remembered this one. That's a favorite. It's a 9 Natural Nicka New York. And the name of this one is Perfect Natural. And that is what Perfect Natural looks like. And it's been such a long time. I only took one look at this palette. So we're going to do that. I already primed my eyelids and I used the Nicka eyeshadow primer. So okay, let's get this ball rolling. Darn. Can't believe it, but anyways. The show must go on, right? And let me see which eyeshadow I'm going to apply to my lids first. I think I'm going with this right there, third, right where my finger is. This, oh boy. Okay, 1, 2, this one, the third, right there. I'm going to go and apply that to the lids and hope and pray for the best. You know what, guys? I'm gonna have to do this, see how this works out. Hello. Okay. So I'm applying that lovely shade on both lids. Okay, now from the same palette, I'm gonna be picking up that eyeshadow right there, the first one. And apply that on the brow bones. How you guys all doing? I hope you guys are all doing great. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna do here. Next, I think I'm gonna grab that brown right there with my fingers. Yeah, I should have closed the window. Oh, sorry. And that's the dining room window over there. This one is closed. Anyways, yeah. Never a dull moment. Okay. And what I'm gonna do with that one is in the crease. Apply that like so. Oh my goodness. Now for eyeliner. This is a Maybelline Master Smoky Scorching Brown. And that's a smudger. And that's the liner right there, the product. It's really dark brown. Let's see. And yeah, I have to Really take it easy with this one. I've had them for so long. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara in Very Black. That's it. That's how the look turned out. So, my friends, till next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.